You know, Johnny used to tell me that one day my friendship would be exactly what someone needs. And I'm so glad that God decided that my friendship would be what you need. You are the love of my life.
When I saw you in the morning,
I remember going to the courtroom and fighting for custody for you. I remember thinking, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but my brother needs a male influence.
Looking good, Jay.
What we always wanted for Justin was somebody that would absolutely love him for him. And that's what we've prayed for. And apparently, you've been praying for that too.
If anyone knows anything about me, the two things that they know is I'm obsessed with my husband and I'm obsessed with Yah. Justin, there'll be days when you look at her and ask yourself, how did I deserve to receive her love? Remember that she's a piece of God's radiance, and although you can't explain it, just be grateful.
When he decided finally to introduce himself to me, big Justin come in and gave me this big bear hug. Oh my goodness, my daughter is in good hands. And he has done the right thing ever since.
You know, you both have been looking forward to this day for quite some time. God has been working behind the scenes in your lives to make this day a reality. And it is finally here. Now, by the power and authority of God, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
I'm just so happy to be here today to witness my beautiful daughter get married. It's the happiest day of my life. Justin, I know you're going to take good care of my daughter. I have no doubt.
She's now your number one. You know, next to God, she's your number one. She's the most important person to you from this day forward. I love all my boys to death, but next to my wife, they're second. And I want to make sure that you adopt that.
Yeah, you and I both love movies. So let me narrate ours. 18 years ago, my older brother would take me around New Jersey to perform in our church play. And that's where I met you. You were always in the background, like an extra. Then our stages in life changed from high school to college, where again, you were in the background, but you now sustain a more supporting role. As time went on, I knew I wanted you to be the main character because God was giving me a star.
The first time that we talked on the phone, I got off and I told Mercedes, I was like, Justin just felt familiar. You just feel like home. And I'm just really grateful that you get to be home forever. I love you so much.
As you begin to walk in this new stage of life, continue to trust God. Continue to love God and be faithful to Him. May your marriage be a light on the hill for all to see what is possible when you put your trust in God and do it His way.